Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Huang Benjamin from the Asian Food Network and I'm coming to you from Singapore. It's 2021 and the Lunar New Year is just around the corner. I'm always so interested to see how different countries and different cultures celebrate with their loved ones with their own unique dishes. Today, with Facebook, I'll be showing you how to make ngoh hiang, which is a staple dish at my family's Chinese New Year. I'll be joined by my fellow chefs, Jeff from Taiwan, Tan Quang from Vietnam, Tasya Karunisa from Indonesia, and Chef Kwan from Thailand, and we'll all be showing you our tips on making our must-have dishes for Chinese New Year. I'm sure you're gonna wanna try them at home to surprise your loved ones and bring all the different flavors from Asia to your table. My family is a huge mix of cultures, but my mom is Hokkien Chinese, and ngoh hiang, which I'm making today, is a traditional Hokkien dish. First of all, I'm going to start making the mix. I'm gonna put in some minced pork, a bit of chopped water chestnut for texture, and some chopped carrot for color. Now this is Chinese 5-spice, it's ground up, and this is actually what gives ngoh hiang its name. So ngoh hiang translates to 五香 or 5-spice. It's also very auspicious for the Chinese New Year because 五香 can represent 五福临门, which means 5 types of fortune descending at your door, which is something that we could all do with. So that's definitely an important lucky ingredient to go into the ngoh hiang mix. Some light soy sauce, sesame oil, some Shaoxing wine, and a little bit of dark soy sauce just for a touch of color. To bind the mixture together, some beaten egg, corn flour, some finely chopped spring onion, and I'm gonna set this mixture aside while I deal with the prawns. So ngoh hiang is all about the mixture of minced pork and minced prawn meat. You get the mix of textures as well as that difference in flavor, and that's going to help the whole roll stick together. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. Go in and mix this until it's evenly combined. We're ready to roll. These are bean curd skin, and the key is that you want to find these soft sheets of bean curd skin, not the crunchy, crispy ones, because they'll break when you try to roll up your ngoh hiang. Take the ngoh hiang mix and put it in a straight line closer to the edge. Just start rolling and kind of compressing the mixture as you roll. You don't want big air bubbles in there because when you steam this, then they're gonna expand. To seal it, just dab the edge of the bean curd skin with a bit of water and just roll it all up. You sometimes see dishes that look like ngoh hiang but with different names. For example, in Malaysia, there is a dish that's almost just like this called lobak, but it usually features chunkier bits of pork. So once you have the technique down, you can even invent your own type of ngoh hiang for your loved ones. Time to steam these ngoh hiang takes around 12 minutes. The ngoh hiang rolls are done steaming, so I'm going to take them out. At this stage, you can keep them in the fridge or even the freezer until you're ready to serve and then fry them. I have some neutral vegetable oil. You want to be able for it to come about halfway up the side of the ngoh hiang when you're frying. When the ngoh hiang are golden brown all over, time to slice them up and serve. From my family to yours, I hope this helps you add a new dish and some new flavor to your Chinese New Year table. That's all from me, and now I'm going to hand off to Jeff from Taiwan. Hi Jeff, over to you.
Hello buddies from Asian Food Network. I'm Jeff. I'm the contestant of Taiwanese TV cooking show, and I win the surprise of the competition. I was a chef from Michelin restaurant in Shanghai, and today I will show you how to make the classic dishes of Chinese New Year. 今天我要来教大家做一道3代同堂鸡汤。3代同堂意味着我用3个不同年份的萝卜来做这次汤头最主要的风味来源。最年轻的萝卜，它是新鲜的萝卜；年纪再稍微大一点的呢，它是用熟成需要3到4个月的菜脯。接着呢，资深的老菜脯，那它通常需要熟成30到40年以上，才会呈现这样自然的黑色琥珀色。我们把萝卜给对半，接着我们把它的皮都去掉。 因为萝卜的台语其实叫菜头，意味着好彩头，所以大家过年喜欢吃到萝卜。好，我们现在把它切块， 接着呢，菜脯也把它切成小块，等等在熬汤的时候，它萝卜的味道可以更快的散发出来。那我们选择用的呢是全鸡，为什么要用全鸡呢？因为全鸡代表专给，就是一家团圆、一家团聚的意思。接下来呢，我会把它丢下去烫，烫的时候呢，我们反复的用热水来把它的杂质给穿烫掉。接着我们烫完这个全鸡呢，我们要把它放在冰块水里面去冰镇，这样子它的肉呢会比较嫩。冰镇好的鸡，我们把它放到汤里面，穿烫这个猪脚。那这个猪脚呢，最主要是所有汤里面的胶质的来源，所以我们现在一样把这个猪脚给穿烫过，杂质都给去掉之后呢，我们一样把它捞起来冰镇。好，我们要来穿烫萝卜，我们把萝卜把它加进去，一样把这个萝卜给烫过，可以去掉它一点点的生味。那这个萝卜穿烫的差不多呢，我们就可以一样把它捞起来做冰镇。接下来呢，我们把它全部放到这个鸡汤里面，菜脯都加进去，老菜脯摇住，酱色。那在台菜里面呢，会自己用糖去炒出来的一个酱色，让这个汤添增更多的色彩。大概2汤匙、3汤匙左右，我们也放一点味淋在里面。所有的料都放到这个锅子里面之后呢，我们把这个盖子给盖上。接下来呢，我们就要放到蒸笼里面去蒸，那它大概需要蒸45分钟左右。I'm really honored to join this show. 希望你们会喜欢我今天带来的3代同堂鸡汤。我们接下来把时间交给来自印尼的伙伴 Dacia Kalunisa。我们 say hi to Dacia. Hi Dacia, over to you. Bye.
Hai, gue Tasya Hairunisa Citra Harja, gue dari Indonesia dan hari ini gue mau bikin sesuatu untuk Imlek bersama Facebook. Gue mau bikin kue keranjang santan kukus dan ini kalian bisa masak di rumah bersama keluarga tercinta. Di keluarga gue pas Imlek itu ada beberapa makanan yang wajib ada. Contohnya ada jeruk, ada mie goreng, terus ada satu lagi yang pasti harus ada adalah kue keranjang. Nah biasanya di keluarga gue si kue keranjang ini diolah jadi kue keranjang santan kukus yang akan gue bikin ini. Kita potong kue keranjangnya. Nih kita buka. Ini sebelum dipotong pisaunya kita kasih minyak dulu supaya lebih mudah untuk motongnya. Ini fungsinya supaya dia kayak melicinkan permukaan si kue keranjang. Pasti ada makanan-makanan ini kalau misalnya kalian memang merayakan Imlek. Salah satunya adalah jeruk. Jeruk itu melambangkan kemakmuran. Terus udah gitu ada si kue keranjang ini juga. Terus sama kalau misalnya kalian kayak makanan beratnya itu biasanya ada mie panjang umur. Terus ada beberapa juga yang sebenarnya mirip-mirip lebaran, jadi menyesuaikan sama adat kalian masing-masing gitu. Supaya si daun pisangnya lebih lemes dan lebih mudah untuk dibentuk, kita bakar, tapi bakarnya sedikit aja. Bakarnya pelan aja kayak gini, usahain semua kena, terutama bagian-bagian yang cukup keras. Kita potong segini aja. Ini kita lipat, terus kita buka bagian dalamnya. Ini kita isi 3 atau 5. Kebetulan jadi di keluarga gue ini ada yang muslim dan ada yang non muslim. Nah biasanya keluarga gue yang non muslim ini mereka suka nyediain babi kecap, terus ada ayam arak, pokoknya kesukaan mereka. Kita biarin kurang lebih 15 menit sampai 30 menit, kalau udah kita angkat. Berhubung gue muslim, jadi biasanya kita masak berbeda gitu, maksudnya peralatan masaknya pokoknya berbeda. Biasanya tuh kita agak-agak mirip sama lebaran, jadi ada ketupat, terus ada opor, ada lodeh, ada rendang juga yang kayak gitu, atau yang pasti ada yang kayak tadi gue bilang mie goreng salah satunya. Ini dia resep kue keranjang santan kukus khas dari keluarga gue. Jangan lupa kalian cobain di rumah. Coba share juga resep yang wajib ada saat Imlek khas dari keluarga kalian. Komen di bawah ya. Terima kasih udah nonton. Sampai jumpa lagi. Dadah.
Xin chào tất cả mọi người, tôi là Nguyễn Thanh Cường, quán Quân Vua Bếp Việt Nam mùa thứ 3 và tôi là người Việt Nam. năm mới Tân Sửu năm 2021 sắp tới nhận được lời mời từ Facebook và có mặt tại đây cùng âm nhạc Flip Lab để giới thiệu đến nét văn hóa ẩm thực đặc sắc và tuyệt vời của người Việt đến tất cả mọi người trên toàn thế giới. Cùng với các đầu bếp nổi tiếng trong khu vực, hy vọng rằng chúng ta sẽ cùng khám phá nét ẩm thực độc đáo mùa Tết Nguyên Đán và đặc biệt hơn nữa, hãy chuẩn bị những nguyên liệu cùng Cường làm món ăn Tết không thể thiếu của người Việt tại nhà của bạn, đó là món bánh chưng. Thứ nhất là nếp chúng ta phải ngâm để lâu và nếp mềm để chúng ta nấu cho nó dễ. Thứ hai nữa là đậu xanh không vỏ, chúng ta cũng ngâm mềm. Và nguyên liệu không thể thiếu đó là thịt heo, muối, tiêu, hành tỏi và gốc hành, lá dong và dây lạc để chúng ta buộc. Và bên cạnh đó là Cường sẽ dùng cái khuôn. Bước đầu tiên là Cường sẽ ướp thịt, ướp bằng gốc hành. Kế tiếp là Cường sẽ làm thêm 1, 2 và 3 lá nữa để cover được cái khuôn, phần khuôn phía trong. Tiếp theo là Cường sẽ cho cái phần nếp vào. Chúng ta sẽ đẩy nếp vào 4 góc nha. Ít đậu xanh, lót nền. Và phần thịt heo đã ướp chúng ta cho lên. Kế tiếp là một lớp đậu xanh phủ lên phần thịt. Và phần cuối cùng còn lại là một lớp nếp đầy lên ngang bằng với cái mặt khuôn. Kế tiếp là Cường sẽ bẻ vuông góc. Chúng ta cố gắng đè xuống cho cái phần nếp nó giãn xuống và nó chắc bánh hơn. Và xong, chúng ta sẽ từ từ dỡ phần khuôn lên và chúng ta sẽ buộc bánh. Cường sử dụng 6 giây thì mỗi bên 3 giây tạo hình caro để cho bánh được chắc. Cường đã làm xong cái bánh chưng của ngày Tết. Bây giờ sẽ đi nấu từ 5 đến 8 tiếng để bánh được chín hơn. Wow, và bánh chưng Cường đã xong. Cường sẽ ngâm nước và để nguội ráo nước là chúng ta để trên vị trí như thế này. Chúng ta bắt đầu sẽ mở bánh. Bây giờ chúng ta sẽ thực hiện một cách cắt rất là truyền thống của người Việt Nam. Đầu tiên là Cường sử dụng 4 sợi dây lát. Chúng ta sẽ căng đều cái bánh. Cường sẽ cho cái đĩa ở đây và cho lật lại. Bánh lên. Wow. Đây dáng dứt Cường đã chọn. Và tới đây hãy cùng xem đầu bếp Tatjan Khaironesa tới từ Saimat, Indonesia mang tới món ăn gì đặc biệt nhé.
Hi, I'm เชฟขวัญ from Thailand สำหรับในเมืองไทยนะครับเมนูมงคลที่หลายคนคุ้นเคยนะครับและมักจะเห็นตามงานแต่งงานนะครับก็หนีไม่พ้นออนีแปะก๊วยนะครับวันนี้นะครับผมจะมาร่วมเฉลิมฉลองเทศกาลไหว้พระจันทร์กับเมนูฟิวชั่นมินิมอลฟิวชั่นมูนเค้กเดี๋ยวไปดูวิธีการทำในคลิปนี้ครับ เราจะนึ่งเป็นเวลา 15 นาทีนะครับ เราก็เทน้ำกะทิที่เราต้มเมื่อกี้นะครับ อันนี้เราคนให้เข้ากันเลยนะครับ เดี๋ยวเราเอาฝาปิดไว้อย่างนี้ประมาณสัก 15-20 นาทีนะครับ แป้งที่เราพักไว้1คืนนะครับ เราก็ใส่แป้งส่วนที่2ลงไปเลยคลุกเคล้าให้เข้ากันเลยนะครับ ปริมาณของไส้นะครับน้ำหนักรวมกันเนี่ยแค่30 กรัมพอนะเราก็จะใส่ตัวหลักๆก่อนรวมกันประมาณ20 กรัมเสร็จแล้วเราก็ใส่ข้าวเหนียวรวมเข้าไปให้ได้30 กรัมครับพอได้แล้วนะครับเราก็จับทุกอย่างนะครับอัดรวมกัน หวังว่าคงถูกใจหลายๆคนนะครับสำหรับเมนูนี้นะครับ Minimal Fusion Mooncake วันนี้ลาไปก่อนนะครับสวัสดีครับ